Hi, this is an adapter to help me open my garage using my car HomeLink. This adapter works with old HomeLink versions. Newer cars you can just open using the buttons and without needing these adapters. So for mine, instead of using this adapter, I'll just connect this in the garage, and then this one will help me program my car because it's not pairing with my garage opener. So let's go ahead and get programming. To reset the already set commands, I'll just press and hold these two buttons. The light is solid, it will flash, and then it will know that it has cleared. You can see that it's flashing fast. Now we know that the code is cleared. So we can go ahead and press the button we want to program, and then we will press and hold this one. So I'll press and hold, you'll see it's slowly flashing, but then I will press this adapter as well, and then it will flash fast once programmed. You can see that it's flashing fast. Now it's done. Now I'll plug this into the wall so that it pairs with my garage opener. I'll go here, I'll press the LAN button. Then I'll run to the car to press the other button that I programmed. You then press this one, and you can see that it just flashed over there, so it means we are done. Okay, now the garage is closing. We can press this button again. You can see that the garage is opening.